that again, please? Take two, take two.
I need to hold on to something. It's so good.
It's so good?
It has coffee in it.
No way! Hello, good morning. Welcome to Simply Sango. If you're here for the first time, my name is Sango and I do things on this channel. I still haven't figured out what I'm doing, but I do things, okay? This is the part 2 of Obon week vlogging. Yay! I hope you enjoyed the first one because I really had fun in the first one. Apart from the whole makeup situation. If you haven't watched it, go check it because yeah. So today is Friday. On Wednesday, I went to a museum date / Yokohama Bayside date with a friend, which was so lovely. And today's Friday. It is super cloudy outside and it is super not so hot as yet. It's like almost 7 a.m. So I'm gonna water my plants, my babies, and probably work out a little bit. But tomorrow we're going to the beach, trying to find a low-key spot because I ain't trying to mingle with anybody, you know. We're still going through a pandemic. Look what I found. Stella is getting a new leaf. Oh, and she's getting a new leaf too. I think that's a new leaf right here. Hola! Look at she. And she needs to be plucked. She got old leaves and stuff. So yeah, this is how I spend my mornings sometimes. Just looking at my plants and talking to them. Good morning, we're going to the beach. That's all I'm telling you right now. Yay, stay along. 到着しました. We here, we in the house.
As long as our reasons for why we had a good day are a list of external conditions, then we're not going to have the stable happiness that we all want. Does that make sense to you? Because if that's what our happiness depends upon, because we cannot control people and circumstances every single day, then our happiness will be in the hands of others, won't it? It'll be at the whim of our circumstances. So if you really wish to have a good day every day, we've got 2 things.
We're at this beach, this random beach in Fujikuri. We were supposed to go to Onjuku, which is way down south of Chiba, but while we were on the highway, we came across this random beach. It doesn't have that much people, so we just stopped by. And I have 2 beautiful girls with me today. Shinju, you know her, my sister, and beautiful Tsuki. Hi. Oh, look at you, cute and shit. You know the vibe. Ah! This water we're able to swim a bit, so we're just chilling. So we finally ended our day. We are at, where are we? Kashiwanoha. This huge Starbucks with Sataya bookstore behind us. We just had our cup of frappuccinos and all that shit. And we're just chilling here and probably getting ready to end the day. Bye. Good night. Yesterday we went on a road trip, a mini road trip, and while I was out there, my sister found Bella on the floor, all turned over, with all her dirt all over the floor and shit. So I'm just repotting her, giving her some new soil. Good morning. Today is officially the last day of Obon week. I know I'm talking in a weird position, but I don't think I'll be doing anything, to be honest. I want to just chill. I've been way too active this week. So yeah, today's gonna be a chill day at home, beginning with grounding myself with repotting Bella. At the post office, this big one, because all the small ones are closed. It's a Sunday, but I finally got stamps, post stamps, so that I can send Genoa letters without coming to the post offices. So yeah, I'm excited for that. As long as I have these stamping tickets, I can just drop them in like these red things and send letters. Right now, because of the whole COVID situation, I can't really send like care packages and stuff, so Genoa's gotta hold these letters until I can send actual packages. So right after my mission at the post office, I decided to stop by a record shop that's like 5 minutes away from that post office that I went to. This is actually my second time here since I moved back to my parents, and it just makes me so happy that I found a record store that's close by. It's not that near, but it's close enough. So yeah, so I decided that I'll come here once a month to pick out an album that spoke to me, and this month I chose Dina Washington. I've never actually sat down and listened to her music, so I was really excited to listen to her song. Unfortunately, we are getting close to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my Obon week series. It was really fun filming. You know, I've never done the whole week vlog before, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, you know. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.
It's very clear our love is here to stay.